Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Luxe. My name is Jamie and I'm very excited to bring to you a special birthday unboxing. So for any of you who've been watching my channel, you know that I have been debating about which should be my first luxury small leather good, or SLG, and I've been going back and forth between several Louis Vuitton SLGs, and I was having trouble deciding. Well, thanks to my mom, the decision has actually been taken out of my hands because she surprised me on my birthday with my first ever Louis Vuitton SLG. Hashtag best mom ever. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this beauty, even though I confess I did, of course, open it on my birthday. But I'm going to unbox it again for you. I'm also going to provide you some details about the item and show you what fits inside. So completely unexpected from my mom because she used to be into these luxury goods, I think, when she was my age, but she's kind of over it now. And she's also very practical. So the fact that she waited in line for an hour during the holidays to get this for me just means so much. So because she got it during the holidays, it came with this festive red ribbon that I love. You slide open the box, you see that it comes in this dust bag. So I reveal to you the Louis Vuitton key pouch in DAMIER EBENE canvas. So this item is 4.7 by 2.8 by 0.4 inches. Obviously it comes in this canvas. It also comes in the MONOGRAM canvas and the DAMIER AZUR canvas. If you open it up, you find the key ring, and of course, as with all of the Louis Vuitton products that I've seen, they have the Louis Vuitton logo on the hardware. When I did a poll on Instagram about what my first Louis Vuitton SLG should be, this one actually got a ton of votes. And the reason why is because you can grab it and go. It can hold cards, your license, some cash, and your keys. So if you're running out the door, you really just have to grab this and that's it. So what I'm going to do today is show you just how much this can hold, if you have keys, if you don't have keys, so that you know exactly how much will fit in here, in case you're thinking about buying it yourself. I'm going to put my car key and a house key on here. You just slide this part down and out. So you can see I have one key fob and one house key. So if I stick those into the pouch, you can see there that they're in there. I actually tried this before I filmed it, and I could fit about 3 cards and a $20 bill into this. So I'll show you how that works. And you'll see that I'm not using my real credit cards, I'm using gift cards, which are about the same size. Just in case any of you would be tempted to take my credit card number and go shopping at Louis Vuitton yourself. So as you can see, this fits in pretty comfortably. There's $20 in there, 3 credit card sized items, and then a key fob and a house key. It zips up pretty nicely. It's definitely full though. I wouldn't want to put any more because I wouldn't want to stretch this any more than it's already stretched. Let's say that you only had your key fob and you weren't worried about any keys scratching your purse. You could just leave this free and use this solely as a wallet. If that were the case, you would actually fit quite a bit more. So here I'm showing you 11 cards, 11 gift cards that are credit card sized. I can fit them all pretty comfortably inside this key clay. If you zip it up, you'll see there's no pulling whatsoever when I zip it. I did try to get a 12th one in there, and when I did put the 12th one, it did feel like it was pulling just a tiny bit. Now, if you really want to use this as a catch-all and bring some lipstick and some cash and some cards, I've got 4 cards here that I will stick inside, as well as the $20, as well as this lipstick. As you can see, it fits, and it closes just fine. I will say that you are, again, getting a little tiny bit of this pulling, so I'm not really sure how often I'll be using this with a lipstick, but if you're in a bind and you need to fit your basic essentials into this and use it as a catch-all that you can grab and go, it definitely can work for that. For those of you who are interested in more information about this piece, I have linked some information down below. All in all, I would say my mom hit a home run. I really am looking for those building block pieces to add to my collection, and this is just the perfect classic edition that is not only a Louis Vuitton classic, but is so practical and is going to be so useful. I can't believe how lucky I am to finally have my first Louis Vuitton SLG, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.